Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm in a Golf 7. This is 2016 model that came to us for the App Connect upgrade. The App Connect is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. So at the moment you can see on the screen here it says App Connect not available. It's not there. So if I go to the menu and select it again, that's what it comes up with. The car came from factory with the original navigation system, Discover Media system. That system is sitting here. This is the head unit. And that's your normal radio and the menu where you can scroll through all the options. And obviously App Connect, one of the features, is not available at the moment. So we're going to upgrade it and show you when it's all completed. Let's get to it. Right, we're back in the car and it's all completed. So let's press the main menu again and we'll go to App Connect. And before you had a message that's not available, now it says, welcome to App Connect. Please select a device. So we will be plugging in Android Auto and iPhone for Apple CarPlay. Mirror Link is no longer valid, so that's just ignore it. But these two options are the ones to use. And we'll be utilizing the original connection, which is here. This is the USB connection that came in the car. We haven't had to change anything because the car came with it. So we literally upgraded it just with the option without changing physically the connection here. So we're gonna plug in the phone now. So let's do that. So I've got an iPhone here prepared. So we're gonna plug it in to the socket there, and automatically, as you can see, it's establishing connection and starting it straight away. And then if I go here, again, this is your CarPlay fully working. You can go through all your favorite apps and just select and use them. This is wired. I'm going to show you wired connection as well for Android Auto, and then show you something that we do in additionally, which we can make it wireless as well. So, next, we will be connecting Android phone. We have a Google phone here, so we're just going to plug it in. And as you can see, it's plugged in. And again, it should establish connection as well automatically. So we're just going to go into Pixel 8, connect. And then that's it pretty much. It connects straight away. And if we go to the main menu, you can see all the apps as well. And yeah, just select your favorite apps. Now, let me show you as well a special feature that we do, allowing to have it working wirelessly. Right, so the additional feature that we can offer as well with this upgrade is the wireless connectivity. We have this wireless dongle that we can plug into the socket here. So I'm just going to do that. So it sits in there. You can see LED is flashing up, so that means it's on. And then this iPhone that we've connected earlier via cable, now will establish connection automatically. So you can see the screen is already establishing that connection. It's kicking it into the menu of the dongle and then kicks in, and you've got your Apple CarPlay main menu here again. So that again can be all used, fully integrated, and that's now is completely wireless. So that also comes, we also offer this feature to many cars. So if you're interested in having Apple CarPlay Android Auto upgrade done for your car, just get in touch with us. Links will be in the description. Thank you for watching this video and see you next one. Bye bye.